In the heart of the swamp, where frogs sing and dragonflies dance, lived a gentle soul named Gus, an alligator with a green thumb. Every morning at sunrise, Gus slipped on his straw hat and tended to his garden, watering, planting, and whispering to his plants like old friends. He battled bugs with swamp herbs, grew juicy tomatoes and towering sunflowers, and always left extra veggies for his animal neighbours. Come harvest time, Gus filled his basket with pride and shared every bite with the swamp community. At sunset, Gus sat by his garden, watching the fireflies, smiling, because in the middle of the muddy swamp, he'd grown something beautiful. He wasn't just a gardener, he was Gus, the heart of the swamp.